In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check WordPress version without login. Keeping a website's WordPress version up to date is crucial for security and performance. But what if you don't have access to the admin dashboard? Don't worry, there's a simple way to find out the WordPress version of a website by inspecting its source code. Whether you're troubleshooting, analyzing a site, or just curious, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. Let's get started and uncover how to check the version of any WordPress site quickly and easily. First, open your favorite web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you're comfortable with. Once you have your browser ready, navigate to the website whose WordPress version you want to check. Simply type the site's URL into the address bar and hit enter. Next, you need to access the website's source code. To do this, right-click anywhere on the web page. When the menu pops up, select the option labeled View Page Source. Alternatively, you can use a keyboard shortcut to achieve the same result. On Windows, press Ctrl+U, and if you're on a Mac, use Command+Option+U. This will open a new tab displaying the underlying HTML and metadata for the website. By viewing the source code, you're essentially looking under the hood to see how the site is structured. Now that you're in the source code, it's time to search for specific information. Use the search function by pressing Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on Mac. This will bring up a search bar, making it easy to locate specific text within the code. In the search bar, type WP- or more specifically WP-, and then look for references that point to WordPress version numbers. These references often appear in file paths for CSS or JavaScript files. For example, you might see something like /WP- includes /CSS/version- followed by numbers like 5.8.3. These numbers indicate the WordPress version used by the site. If you find the version number, that's great. However, keep in mind that sometimes this information is hidden for security reasons. If you don't spot it right away, don't worry. It simply means the website owner has taken extra precautions to obscure the version details. Once you've identified the WordPress version, it's a good idea to verify whether this is the latest version available. To do this, open a new browser tab and search for WordPress current version. You'll find reliable information on the official WordPress website or trusted tech news platforms. Click on one of these sources to confirm the most up-to-date version of WordPress. This will help you determine if the website you're analyzing is running the latest version or if it's outdated. Knowing this can give you valuable insights into the site's security and features. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can check the WordPress version of any website without needing to log in. You've learned how to access and search the source code, identify the WordPress version, and even compare it against the latest release. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.